Hello and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Today we're going to embark on a journey to bring joy and cleanliness to a very special member of your home, your beloved sofa. Yes, that's right, that haven of comfort, that sanctuary where you unwind after a long day, deserves our care and attention. You see, our sofas hold a special place in our homes and our hearts. They witness movie nights, cozy evenings with loved ones, and countless moments of relaxation. Over time, they absorb not just dust and dirt but also the energy of these precious moments. So, cleaning your sofa is about more than just removing stains. It's about appreciating its presence in your life and restoring it to its former glory. So, are you ready to show your sofa some love and cleaning magic? Let's gather our cleaning supplies and embark on this journey together. Just as a joyful tidying session requires the right tools, cleaning our sofa starts with assembling our cleaning companions. But remember, we approach this task with a grateful heart, acknowledging the help these tools provide. First, we have our trusty vacuum cleaner, ready to whisk away dust and debris. Choose the upholstery attachment to be extra gentle with your sofa's fabric. Next, we'll need a mild detergent, a gentle warrior against dirt without being harsh on the fabric. White vinegar, our natural cleaning ally, is here to tackle odors and refresh the fabric. And of course, baking soda, our trusty sidekick for stubborn stains, is ready to work its magic. To apply these cleaning solutions, we'll need a spray bottle and a bucket of warm water. Finally, let's not forget our own comfort protective gloves to keep our hands soft and a soft bristle brush for gentle scrubbing. Remember, each tool plays a vital role in rejuvenating your sofa. Before we begin cleaning, let's take a moment to truly understand our sofa. Just like each of us has a unique personality, each sofa has its own story, told through its fabric and care instructions. Gently turn your sofa cushions and look for the care tag. It's like a little guidebook whispering the secrets to keeping your sofa happy. The care tag will reveal the type of fabric and the recommended cleaning methods, ensuring we treat it with the respect it deserves. Next, let's examine our sofa, not with judgment, but with a compassionate eye. Identify any areas that need special attention, perhaps a stain from a spilled cup of tea or a spot where your furry friend likes to cuddle. Remember, these imperfections are part of your sofa's journey, and we'll approach them with care. Before applying any cleaning solution, always test it on a hidden area of your sofa to ensure it doesn't cause any discoloration or damage. Now let's begin our cleaning ritual with a gentle dance of the vacuum. If your sofa has removable cushions, carefully lift them and set them aside. Imagine you're helping them stretch and breathe after a long nap. With the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner, glide it gently across the entire surface of your sofa. Move with grace, allowing the vacuum to collect dust and crumbs from every nook and cranny. Next, we'll attend to the cushions. Treat each cushion with the same care and attention, vacuuming both sides and all edges. As you vacuum, visualize the fresh air and positive energy flowing back into your sofa. Now let's turn our attention to those little imperfections, those stains that might be telling stories of their own. Remember, we approach these stains not with harshness, but with a gentle touch and effective solutions. For fabric sofas, let's create a cleaning elixir using 2 cups of warm water and a teaspoon of mild detergent. Gently mix them together, as if whispering words of encouragement to the cleaning solution. Dip a clean microfiber cloth into the solution, wringing out any excess liquid. Now with a gentle hand, dab at the stain, working from the outer edges towards the center. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain further. For stubborn stains, we can call upon our trusty allies, baking soda for grease stains or a mixture of vinegar and water for wine or coffee spills. For leather sofas, a specialized leather cleaner is our weapon of choice. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth and gently wipe the affected area, following the grain of the leather. Remember, leather is a natural material that deserves our utmost care. Chapter 5. A refreshing bath for your sofa. Now that we've addressed specific stains, it's time to give our entire sofa a refreshing cleanse. For fabric sofas, let's create a revitalizing bath using a cup of warm water, a tablespoon of mild detergent, and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix these ingredients together, visualizing them as purifying agents, ready to restore your sofa's vibrancy. Dip a clean microfiber cloth into the solution. wringing out any excess liquid. Then gently wipe the entire surface of your sofa, working in sections. Once you've cleansed the fabric, it's time to rinse away the cleaning solution. Use a clean cloth dampened with water and gently wipe the sofa again. For leather sofas, a simple wipe down with a damp cloth and a touch of leather cleaner is all it takes to maintain its natural beauty. Chapter 6. Inviting freshness and sweet scents. As our cleaning journey nears its end, let's invite a sense of freshness and delightful scents into our revitalized sofa. We'll begin by generously sprinkling baking soda over the entire surface of the sofa, allowing it to absorb any lingering odors. Imagine the baking soda as tiny particles of freshness, neutralizing any unwanted smells. After letting the baking soda work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes, it's time to vacuum it up. As you vacuum, visualize the fresh scent permeating every fiber of your sofa. For an extra touch of fragrance, you can lightly mist your sofa with a fabric freshener. Choose a scent that sparks joy and creates a sense of tranquility in your living space. Chapter 7. The joy of a clean and tidy sofa. Now, with our cleaning ritual complete, let's take a moment to appreciate the transformation. Gently fluff and arrange your sofa cushions, restoring them to their rightful place. Stand back and admire your handiwork. Notice the clean lines, the vibrant colors, and the inviting aura of your refreshed sofa. It's amazing how such a simple act of cleaning can bring so much joy and satisfaction. Adding a few finishing touches like plump throw pillows and a cozy blanket can further enhance the inviting ambiance of your living space. Choose colors and textures that spark joy and reflect your personal style. Remember, a clean and tidy sofa is not just about appearances, it's about creating a space where you can truly relax, unwind, and enjoy life's precious moments. And there you have it, a sparkling clean sofa that's ready to welcome you with open arms. Remember, just as tidying up our homes brings a sense of calm and order, cleaning our sofas allows us to fully appreciate their presence in our lives. Regular cleaning not only enhances your sofa's appearance but also extends its lifespan, allowing it to continue being a source of comfort and joy for years to come. So, embrace the process, enjoy the transformation, and let your clean sofa inspire a sense of peace and contentment in your home. Thank you for joining me on this cleaning adventure today. Don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more tips and tricks on creating a joyful and clutter-free life. Until next time, happy cleaning!